Let's head to the crypto space now with Laddie Williams, and another half-year conversation is coming your way, I promise you. I wonder, how did the Bitcoin do in the first half of 2024?
In the first half, about 44%. You could put that up for me. Started the year at about $42,000. So we got as high as about $71,000. So we see for the first half, Bitcoin is up 44%, but Ethereum outperformed. With
47. Yeah, the alts have been doing it. But I mean, this is not fair. Our own currency, the Naira, dropped 40%, and Bitcoin gained
about 44%. But who knows? The second half, we could have a soft landing, for the Naira.
I hope so.
We'll definitely watch out for that. Let's bring in Element Dambell now, a financial market analyst. Hello, Element.
Oh, hey, Lottie. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, great to have you, Element. So despite no cuts yet, no signs of rate cuts in the U.S., we're seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum doing pretty well in the first half of 2024. What are the charts telling you about the second half of 2024?
Yeah, I think much of the same. I think, of course, we did see, especially with Bitcoin, the approval of the ETFs definitely spurred investor confidence. So we saw a lot of rallying there, and I think if you're looking at the second half of the year with the Federal Reserve potentially about to cut rates, that could continue. So if you're looking at the longer term chart, so let's say even a weekly chart for Bitcoin, at the moment the relative strength index, the RSI, is currently tracking at around 55. And the next key resistance level for that to break is 57. And I think once it starts to do that, you'll probably see Bitcoin moving closer to 70K once again.
Right, we'll definitely be watching out for that. But what are you seeing for Ethereum?
With Ethereum, I think we're probably going to see 4K in a not too distant future. Similar to Bitcoin, we do have a resistance level on the relative strength index with ETH, which is at the 61 level, is currently tracking at 57. So I do believe once it crosses that level, history shows it can go to as high as 83 in terms of the RSI. So as you can see, there's quite a fair distance from where we are to where we can be. And I do believe once it finally crosses that first hurdle, it will potentially make that run above. It will likely pass 4K, I would say, in the next 2 months or so.
All right, we'll definitely watch out for that. Thank you so much, Element Dambell. Always great having your technical analysis. Thank you.
Cheers, thank you.
Let's look at some headlines in the market now. We see Sony, they're planning a crypto exchange in Japan at this time. One of Japan's biggest and most influential companies is jumping into the cryptocurrency market by acquiring Amber Japan. Then MiCA, a stablecoin regime that kicked off already in the market, but it's a comprehensive regulatory framework for crypto assets in the EU, and it's kicked off, and we're going to get results and how it's looking right there. So that's how the market performed, Bitcoin, Ethereum. That's how it performed the first half. Who knows what's going to happen in the second half with no rate cut yet.
Fingers crossed. Yeah, but I mean, I think the rate cut conversation is getting really close.
Right.
We'll see.
We'll see if it happens in 2024.
Exactly. Thank you, Laddie. So that's it. The very first episode of Business Incorporated in the last quarter, or the third quarter, I beg your pardon, but the last half of 2024. Does this set the tone for what we'll have for the rest of the year or the rest of the month? You just have to stay with us and we'll let you know and take you through this journey of how many weeks we'll do it together. I'm Ini John. May I see you tomorrow. That's it.